हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज फिर हम तंबोला के साथ हैं। तो जानते हैं आज की एक और नई ट्रिक कि हम इस तंबोला को कैसे और कहाँ यूज़ कर सकते हैं हमारे बच्चों की स्टडी में। हमने कल जाना था इट इज़ फॉर अरेंजिंग द नंबर्स, सीक्वेंसिंग द नंबर एंड मिसिंग नंबर्स। नाउ द अनदर यूज़, it can also be used for arranging the backward counting because it is very important to learn before between numbers or before numbers. So how to arrange, you can either you can give to your kids arranged numbers and make him to place on the in a way of backward counting, or either without arranging them you can give when they learn the numbers, when they already learn the backward counting. Okay, Jairitya, arrange these numbers in backward counting fast and also speak. Okay, come this side. Start from here. 9090 से start करना है. Okay, 9090. Speak also.
9090 89 88 87 86 85 84 83 82 81.
What is the next?
80.
Very good.
79. 78. 77. 76. 75. 59. 58. 57. 56. 54.
It's a 55.
55, 54, 53, 52, 51.
Very good. Then who's come before the 51?
5050.
Yes, well done. Okay.
4040.
Okay, before the 40, it's
39.
39.
38. 37. 36. 35. 34. 33. 32. 31.
Well done. Now what will come?
30.
Right.
29, 28, 20, 20,
Very good.
20, 19,
Yes.
18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 11,
Very good. You're doing well. 10,
9,
9,
8,
8,
7,
7,
6,
6,
5,
5. ओके, अच्छा एक बार हमें बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग सुनाओ ना जयादित्य, 10 से.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Well done. So dear friends, like this Jayaditya has arranged the numbers in reverse system. So like that we can give a practice to our kids how to arrange the numbers. It is not necessary always start from 90. it is only for showing to you. You can start only from 10 to 1, then 20 to 1, then 30 to 1. Like this your kids become more attentive for this backward counting, right? Now the same, after learning the backward countings, their concept for after, before and between will be more easy. Okay, so how to give them the knowledge of after, before, between. Today we will discuss the first after numbers. You can use these tickets for that. There are so many tickets in the book, so we can use any book and we can ask our kids, okay, what comes after 7? We can keep the fingers or we can put some strips over there to make them to find out. Like what comes after 54? हमको बाकी blanks hide कर देना है, either with the fingers or either with any objects. Or we can ask like this, what comes after 7, 8, 9? Then after 13 what comes? What comes after 17? What comes after 17? What comes after 20? This is the first idea, to use these tickets for writing after numbers only. हमको बच्चे को ये बोलना है कि जहाँ ब्लैंक दिया है उसी नंबर्स के जस्ट आफ्टर वाला नंबर लिखना है. फाइन. फॉर आफ्टर numbers we can use these tickets. Or another thing, the same as we have done yesterday, we have put some jokers or smiley faces over there to ask them. Like on the place of 2 I have put a joker, then on the place of 4, on the place of 23. Okay, like that we can ask to our kids, okay, what comes after 1? What comes after 3? What comes after 23? Okay, so in this way we can teach them the after number, or we can give them practice. The another thing, the before number and between numbers. Between number is more easier for the kids because they know the after and before number. So between numbers is very easy for them, even without teaching them backward counting or regular counting. For lots of practice you can ask them, because जब उनको हम रिसाइट करवाते हैं नंबर्स 1 to 100, इवन उनको अगर राइटिंग नहीं आता है, दे एबल टू आइडेंटिफाई द नंबर्स, तब भी हम उनको बोल सकते हैं ओके व्हाट कम्स 1, then automatically they will say 2. So between number is more easy, after number is more easy, but the main issue is in the before numbers. For that we use this Tombola trick. How? We use some strips over the Tombola. Like mainly बच्चों को कहाँ प्रॉब्लम होता है, उनको नंबर प्रॉब्लम्स होता है ज़ीरो वाले नंबर्स में. लाइक व्हाट कम्स बिफोर 60, इट्स क्वाइट टफ फॉर देम. ओके, सो पहले हम उनको इस तरह से बिटवीन नंबर्स में प्रैक्टिस देंगे. लाइक दिस 8, 9, 10, 18, 19, 20, 28, 29, 30, 38, 39, 40, 48, 49, 50, 58, 59, 60. After giving this practice, we will place some more strips over there or some pages over there. Now ask them, what comes before the 10? 9. What comes before the 20? They will say 19. So these tricks we can use over the Tombola. So after, before, between numbers and backward counting also can be practiced on the Tombola game. So dear friends, if you like the idea, just watch it and share with your friends and use definitely on your kids. आप इस ट्रिक्स को यूज करके देखिएगा, इट विल वर्क ऑन योर किड्स, राइट. आई वॉन्ट टू शेयर वन मोर थिंग. Yesterday when I uploaded the video, I have written on the place of Tombola I have written Rambola, but no one friends ping me for that. So dear friends, whenever I do mistakes, please ping me so I will correct myself. Okay, and I would like to one thing about the Jayaditya which you will enjoy. Jayaditya, give me your painting, that one you have torn out. आपने फाड़ दिया उस पेंटिंग को. Where is your that painting yesterday drawing when we were on the terrace and you made na? Show me that painting drawing. 1 minute फ्रेंड्स।
You made it.
अभी मैंने कुछ दिनों पहले आपसे शेयर किया था कि व्हेन इट वाज रेनिंग आई मेक द चैरिट टू सिट इन द बालकनी एंड मेक हिम टू ड्रॉ द scenery. So that idea he used yesterday. We all were, my husband, me and Jared, we used to go on the terrace every evening at 6 o'clock or 7 o'clock. So yesterday when we were going, Jared picked up some colors and the papers. So my husband shouted him कि ये क्यों ले जा रहे हैं, डोंट टेक देम. तो मैंने कहा ले लेने तो ठीक है, वी विल कैरी. देन वी carry all the things. On the terrace he said to us, you keep stand one place. हम दोनों को एक ही जगह पे खड़ा कर दिया. बोलते आप लोग हिलना मत, यहीं खड़े रहना. हमने कहा ओके. Then he draw our drawings and then he said, okay मम्मा अब आप मेरी drawing बनाओ. And he give me the pose like this. Then I also tried to make him. So dear friends, if we insist our kids to draw something new or we give them one idea, they automatically find out the second idea. So keep giving ideas to your kids so they will learn definitely new things day by day. If you like the ideas, dear friends, please share with your friends and subscribe the channels. Thank you so much. Bye bye.